On Labor Day of 2025, Trevor and I went to Pilot Mountain State Park in North Carolina. You are looking at the Pilot Knob where we hiked today. In North Carolina, it is so beautiful here.
It feels good up here.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Trevor.
Hello.
Nice view.
Hiking?
I am. I'll do a panoramic real quick. All right. Because of the holiday, the park was pretty crowded, but we really enjoyed it. The air was so nice and breezy. We walked all around the Pilot Knob.
You got a butterfly?
Mm-hmm. I always worry about my phone. Wow. Neat. There's a... Mm-hmm. And a butterfly. Pinnacle Mountain has two distinctive features named Big Pinnacle and Little Pinnacle. Big Pinnacle, also called the Knob, has high and colorful bare rock walls with a rounded top covered by vegetation reaching approximately 1,400 feet above the surrounding terrain. Do you know how high up we are, baby?
Line. Our house is out there somewhere.
Wow. Okay. Pilot Mountain is part of Pilot Mountain State Park, which extends to the Yadkin River via a corridor of land, and it is associated with a nearby Home Creek Living historical farm. The curved depression between the ridge slope and Little Pinnacle and the round knob of the Big Pinnacle enhances the mountain's distinctive appearance from a distance. Other interesting rock formations are to the east at privately held Sarreltown Mountain on the higher complex at Hanging Rock State Park. In November 2021, a 1,050-acre wildfire covered Pilot Mountain State Park. This fire enveloped Pilot Mountain as well, with smoke covering the iconic knob. It is said that it was started by a lightning strike. The state park offers camping and has many trails. The Geological Trail, which leads around the base of the Big Pinnacle. Ledge Spring Trail goes past the large picnic area and down along the ridge crest. Its lower loop back up past a small perennial spring. And there's also the Sassafras Trail, the Grindstone Trail, and Ledge Spring Trail. Mountain Trail as well, and Grassy Ridge Trail connects to the Corridor Trail. So lots of trails to experience here at this park. I'm filming.
All right. Look out for timber rattlers.
Yeah, man.
That's the rumor.
Don't want no timber rattlers. Oh, that's a good view of those mountains. Cool. I love the rocks. These are some steep steps again, just like Hanging Rock. Ooh, it's very breezy up here. Very airy. Very Mount Airy-ish, even though we're at Pilot Mountain State Park. Pilot Mountain State Park. And these stairs are...
The other thing that's good about this route, baby, is this is a loop.
Oh.
So we
Oh, cool.
not everybody gets jammed up in one spot.
Right.
Well, you can have the ball.
Oh, shoot.
Huh?
That was a...
Yeah, you didn't have to follow me.
Look at this bench.
Nice. Stone Age relic.
Wait, is that?
Wow, look at that.
Huh, interesting.
Oh, do not put your hand in there. People put trash in there, but I think we know who they were. Ledge Springs Trail, 1 mile, one way, leads to Graupner. Nope. Not happening.
Oh, this is... Watch out for timber rattlers, they say.
Or looking out for, I guess I should have said.
Yeah.
I don't know, that could be wrong.
Yeah.
And you won't get as good a picture because the green will actually block out the
Uh-huh.
field. There's one thing about there's a lady back here that gets real narrow.
Yeah, it's narrow.
And we're running off. No, not here.
Stop pushing me, Sophia.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's a little scary. We're up high. I can't watch where I'm walking and film.
Right.
It's a little challenging on that cliff that I could have fallen over and gone all the way. Not just kidding. Wow. All right, let's get another selfie. The weather here has been absolutely gorgeous with a nice breeze. In between the mountains, there's a nice breeze even at the house. I mean, the drop off is right there. Ooh, that's birds.
And I guess maybe we should go now. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
See, one of those cliff things is right over us.
And all the boulders. Wow, it's really cool. Mountain, a metamorphic quartzite mountain rising to a peak of 2,421 feet above sea level, is one of the most distinctive natural features in the U.S. state of North Carolina. Oh, wow. Gonna do a very slow panoramic view because no one's around. My other panoramic views I felt were too rushed because too many people were around on Labor Day weekend. Or actually Labor Day. Oh, and there's mountains way up over there too.
Okay, so those are the ones that we can see from our field.
Oh, wow.
Right? So
Uh-huh.
we're about exactly, if you get between those mountains, this, and there. We're a little closer to here, not much. It's about 20 miles there. And you can see a fire from this far away.
Where's the fire? There's Winston-Salem.
To the right of Winston-Salem.
Okay, I caught the fire. I don't know if I got Winston-Salem, but it's out there. And then, what are those mountains right there forward?
That's Hanging Rock.
Hanging Rock?
Sourton, I think is how they say it. Sourton.
Sourton.
It was an Indian tribe.
Oh.
I wonder what those big smokestacks are. That's farther away than Winston, I think.
Huh. And it doesn't look like there's really much of a city. I don't know.
All right, moving on. I can't look while I'm moving.
Okay. The Sora Native Americans, the region's earliest known inhabitants, called the mountain Jomioki, meaning great guide. I hope I'm pronouncing everything correctly. Nice and airy, nice and breezy. Oh, that feels good. US Route 52 passes through the town of Pilot Mountain near the mountain, which is about 20 miles northwest of Winston-Salem, and the city of Mount Airy is 14 miles farther north. It was about 20 minutes away from where we live, and 20 minutes to Hanging Rock State Park as well. We love it.